What's up everyone? In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the invalid video error when uploading videos to YouTube through the mobile app. So let's start with an error video. Open the YouTube app, create, video, and scroll to the video that you want to upload. And I don't know why, but this one gave me trouble. When I select next, boom! Invalid video, asset not readable. Upload failed. But don't worry, there's an easy fix. All of your hard work is not lost. Go to the video file, select edit video, then crop, and move any edge just a tiny bit. Then select done to save the changes. After the video is done processing, you can go back into the YouTube app and upload it normally with no errors. Select the video, next, upload, and you're good to go. It's uploading normally. And that gets us through it. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.